If you are that kind of a man who his father married more than one wife, and you are willing to go after the footstep of your father, I just want to say congratulations for your heritage. Generation Curse. Let's go. Hello blessed people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm the first time to see this face. You are welcome. My name is Lizzy Dub D. Yes, my return subscriber, I just want to say I thank you. I see your handwork. I just want to appreciate you guys. Thank you for your support. Even this period when we see the learn for start what they do. Anybody when they start this journey with us now, now be the real man or real woman. You know what I mean? Thank you guys. I really appreciate your time. Yes. In today's video, hey, I know many people will disagree with today's video, but it might happen to say I won't provoke some people, but it no matter because the truth is always bitter. Sometimes we just need to just talk. Let's talk it out. Yes. The problem when men get when they know how to know you are not a happy married man. As they watch me, so are you married? Are you planning to marry? This video is for you. Listen to this video and learn what to go for or what to do if you're already in it. So I won't make this video today because many men they get it when they do, but they feel say that they get fun with those things. They know they realize say they just they rate their family to zero, like they break down their home and later they will put on top of woman. But no matter what it be, it takes two to tango. The only one they build, the other one they just dismantle. It takes eternity for that marriage to be successful. How to know unhappy married man or man? There are 5 things they normally do. Many things they when men they do. You tell no say yeah, this men they unhappy on their marriage. But today I just want to talk about very few ones, just only 5. Only 5 because now these 5 now they start. If men don't ready to break their home before others will come the journey. Number 1 thing when unhappy married man they do. He like to stay outside with his friends. When he there among of his friends like this, he drink, he laugh bass, he laugh loud. He just because everything when he just there now he go just enjoy that moment. But when he come house, every spirit of excusing face and sadness they go just appear. That happiness when they enjoy things for outside, in midst of his friend drinking and eating together, the moment he just step into his own home, he go just stop. End of the happiness at the beginning of sadness. Number 2 to know unhappy married man. When you dey house, you dey attached to your phone. You play game. You go to Facebook, you go through our social network, your children they there, your wife they there, but you just focus on your phone, sit down on one place and still be chatting with those friends when you first leave for outside before you come back home. Number 3, you nag and disagree a lot with your wife. Whether she wrong or she right or you no care to know. You nag and disagree with your wife a lot. Number 4, anytime you bring your wife matter to table, all you remember to talk about are the negative part of her. The things when she dey do wrong, the things when she not fit do. Everything you go bring to table, to your friend, to your family member, to anybody. If you must speak about your wife, everything you go remember about her are the negative things about her. thinking say you dey put her down before all those people, but you are gradually breaking your home. Number 5, to know say you be unhappy married man. You dey lost after any other skirts when you see for outside. You dey feel happy when you deal with another skirt, but your woman, if you don't reach your matrimonial bed, you will give them back. So it should be that kind of man when you belong to that league of this category. Make haste now, because there is this song. Your house supposed to be whole, not just a house. Find a way to put things together and make things work. Because if you continue like this, things say you they enjoy, my dear, you will cry like this. You will cry. You will regret your marriage. You will regret your life. And you will end up bringing your children up in a very bad and corrupt and ugly manner. And your children, if you copy this character, they'll carry on with it. Let me tell you, if the place you call home, you don't get peace for there, that means you are homeless. So all your happiness when they get for outside, that will not be the thing. That will not be the thing when you want to. It get where you go do all those things, which if you not change, find solution. All those friends, time go read, they go focus on their own stress of life. That time, your heart don't too scatter for you to embrace. So this is what I just mentioned, and at the beginning, character, when men they possess, before their whole finally just scatter. Get up now. Wake up from your slumber. Do something. If not your wife, you get anything when they do, I don't even believe so. And the problem is say you never really accept the fact say you are now a man, a husband and a father. You never accept your responsibility. You never accept your wife. Because no matter how your wife be, if you love there is room for correction, there is room for amendment, there is room for betterness. Let me tell you, no man when he has break, when he happy. If he dey outside, he go dey blab, but inside his mind, I rest my case. When you get all this so problem, and you know they give you concern, you know they think of how to make things work for betterness. You know they feel say the life when you they live is just okay. Now this one was pass. Cause for somebody to get problem, na normal thing. But if you fail to realize what your problem be, so I made this video because any man when he come to fight his wife, when you know they get interest for your wife again, now those 5 things now you take the start. When you don't upgrade for these 5 other things, you call the journal. You call the journal. You don't get the category of people when you get these 5 characters in you already. Your home is breaking. It no matter what your wife they do at this point. Sit down and just think how to resolve this whole problem. Because you are still the head. You need to realize that you get responsibility, your family. You need to realize that another generation now you they bring come up so. They say wise woman now in they build home. The foolish one say it is scattered. Yes, not true. But don't forget, it takes 2 to tango. If one they build, the other one they dismantle, it will take eternity. If you get these 5 characters in you, it's never too late. Whether you like it or not, your character when you they possess today, your children they see. So you have reason to amend things. Other greaters are not good. If you continue to receive your joy, your happiness from your friends that you drink and eat together, and at the end of the day, the place where you can lay your head, you dey sad for there. Now another example to let you know, so now there you really belong. Even though you get problem for outside, you supposed to receive your smile, your peace for your house. If not this your house, you forget problem. It's a serious problem, my brother. It's a serious problem, uncle. So in order to make this video too long, I like to end them for you. Till I come your way again. Be blessed and stay healthy. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Even if I forget to say it, it is very important because it feels much better and good to know that somebody is waiting for you to receive. You understand what I mean? I don't want to give us energy. Bye for now.